They just went around that rock. Oh, there he is.
Oh, we see him, Connor. He's going back.
Going up the rocks.
Oh no. Hey, Con, do you know what I saw with John? Con, I know it's the big fish. Yeah, I saw something splash by over there.
I'm pretty sure he's moved right under here. Okay? Wait.
No, I know. You right here? Tell me if you see him.
Stay over here with me, alright?
I'm gonna check this one rock. I have a good feeling he's over here.